Hello guys, in this video we are gonna learn how to create our own image uploading tool using free API. So here you can see that's my tool here, and let me just upload one image here, and that I have hosted that tool in my GitHub account. So let me just drag and drop one image here like this, and you can see we have uploaded our image, and you can get that image URL also. So you can use that URL anywhere in your MIT App Inventor project, website project, or anywhere. So let me just copy this, or if you want to share some images to your friend like a screenshot or something, so you can use that website to do this. So let me just copy this URL and open this URL in incognito. So you can see that's our image here. So let me just go to my tool here. So why we need to create that tool? So there are a lot of advantage, like you can use this tool to share your screenshot, share some images, a lot of things you can do with this. So and after getting that tool, you can add AdSense also, because in one of the blog of Google, and you will find here the title is like 3 type of website that have quality AdSense revenue. It means you can earn a lot of money using this type of website. And in the third type of website, here you find a free online tool site. And right now we are going to create a free online tool that will upload the images, and people can share that image to their friend or family. Now let's start how we can create that tool. So you just need to open my website here, that one website, and we just need to click on that Imager Upload API, this one, and you will redirect to the code. I will give you that direct link of that code also in the description. You can download that code, and in this tool we are going to use your Imager API. This is the Imager website, okay, and we are going to use their API, free API. So just type your Imager and API, this one. But before getting the API, we need to download our code. So go to the GitHub and click on code, and we just need to click on download zip. And after downloading, you need to go to the folder, and we just need to unzip this file, and you can see that's the folder. Open this folder, and there's some files, so we just need to change only one file. Go to the JS, and you can see JS folder, upload.js file. So just open this file in the VS Code or Notepad, anywhere, because we need to change your client ID. Okay, so open this and you will get that here. Just open this. So you can see the Imager client ID. We need to replace that ID with your own ID. Okay, so now let me just go to the here Chrome and Imager API. Just type your Imager API and open that documentation. And you can see here this documentation has moved to here. So click on that. Okay, now we need to click on that authorization and auth. Just click on that, and you can see the registration. So just click on that registration. Now we need to create account. If you don't have an account in the Imager, so you need to create an account here. Okay, so you can create, it's simple to create an account in this website. So after creating the account, you need to create one application here. It means we are going to create the application to get the client ID. So application name is suppose TCB image uploading, that's my app name, and select this one authorization callback with URL and callback URL. So you can just simply type here like the coding course image website or something like that, whatever you want, and you can just search like website.com, and application website is optional. Email, you have to put your email ID. So I'm going to put my email ID, thecodingcourse@gmail.com, and the description I'm going to use your uploading image tool, and I'm not a robot, and then submit. Let me just show you one more thing here. Okay, so go to the Imager API here, and let me just go back here. Actually let me just show you one thing here, and scroll down, and you can see here one thing, free users. Now your application probably free if you don't plan on making any money with it, or if it's a open source. It means you can make money, but make sure this your tool should be open source. Okay, this is important. If you are going to earn money using that tool, so you have to make your tool open source. It means anyone can download your code. Okay, so let me just go to the imager here again, and you can see the client ID. Now we need to copy this client ID here, and let me just go to that JS file. Now we just need to replace that with my own client ID and just save this file. How it's work in localhost. So let me just go to the back and click on that index.html, open this file in Google Chrome. And you can see this is file, and this is the localhost right now. And let me just upload one file here, click on that, and let me just upload that my logo, and wait some second. This, yeah, it's amazing. This will work on your localhost also. If you don't want to upload that anywhere, so you don't need to do this, you can use it like here in a localhost. But I'm going to upload that tool in my GitHub, or publish that tool to GitHub so anyone can access the tool. So for that we need to create account in GitHub. So we already have learned that how we can create account in GitHub. After creating the account in GitHub, you need to click on new. You can see the repositories and click on new, and we have to create one repository. So like I'm just repository name is like image uploading, like this, and description optional, make it public, and add a readme and choose a license, and I'm to make this license as a MIT license, and then click on create repository. This is, now we need to upload files. So for that we just need to go to the folder and just select all these files like this, okay, or make sure don't select readme and license, select for these files and drag and drop all these files here, just here, okay, and wait some seconds. After uploading files, we just need to click on commit changes, processing your files, and the files is uploaded. Now we need to go to the setting option because we have to upload at website. So click on setting, and in the left side you will find here pages, click on that, and then we need to source, so select none to main, okay, and then save like this, and you can see your site is ready to be published, okay. Now we just need to open that URL, copy link in Cognitive, and you will get that there isn't GitHub page site here. So don't worry, just wait at least 5 to 10 seconds, like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and refresh. See, that is your website here. Now you can use this. You see tcpgithub.github.io, image uploading. So that's your own website, or you can say that's your own tool where anyone can upload images and they can use that images in their app or in their website or anywhere. Okay, so yeah, let me just try this how it's work or not, our tool is working or not. Just go to here and upload this. Yes, this tool is working very fine, right? So if you need any help regarding to this tool, so just comment on the video. I'll try my best to solve your all problems. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.